Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the company management feature in B2B commerce. This feature allows the admin to create and manage companies from the backend. Let's understand how this feature works. Go to the admin dashboard, click on Customers, and then select Companies. Here, you'll see the option Create Company. Click on the Create Company button and fill in the required details, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and company address. You can also see additional options. You can add social links, as well as policies such as return policies, shipping policies, and privacy policies. Add a slug, then click on the Save button. As you can see, the company has been created successfully. Under the Action menu, you can edit or delete the company as per your preference. That's all about the company management feature. Thank you.